Well, hi tubers. I'm here on the outside for a change. Came down to the river. Everybody's taking a little swim. So maybe they'll come over and talk to me and tell me what's going on. Come on over. It's another day in Hollywood.
Hi, Paul.
Hello.
Anne.
Tell everybody who you are.
I am Anne.
And what are you doing today?
I'm doing in the river swimming or having a adventure today.
Adventure?
Yes.
Yeah, and who's with you today?
Today is with Paul.
Yeah.
Baby May.
Yeah.
Friends.
Okay. And are you having fun?
Yes, absolutely.
All right, you guys having a bikini contest?
Maybe.
Okay.
I hope so.
All right. Well, let's have somebody else come by and say hi to everybody. Say hi to everybody out on YouTube.
Hi, everybody. I'm on YouTube.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Paul, for having me here.
All right. Contestant number 1. So it is a Friday. It's June 12th, and they just came out with no two-rider rule on the motorbike, so that's going to be interesting. So anyway, we thought we'd take advantage of the last day of being able to drive together on the scooter. Uh-oh. Someone's here. Who's that person? Who are you?
Hi, guys.
I got the microphone here, so I don't know if they can hear you or not.
Hi, guys. Good afternoon.
Right.
I'm here in the river
And what are you guys doing here in the river?
for the swimming with my friends.
Swimming with your friends?
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you having like a little bikini party?
Yeah, bikini party.
So what's the name of your YouTube channel? Because we have shameless promotion here with the old dog.
Yeah.
What's the name of your channel?
Baby Miss Cooking Adventure, guys.
And what should they do? Should they like it and subscribe it?
Yeah.
And should they leave nice comments only?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the drill.
So guys, please subscribe and like for me, guys. And this is another dish, guys, with my friends.
All right, is somebody else going to come over and talk to me?
Yeah.
All right, go get somebody.
I think I need model for walking.
Okay, I'll film you walking like a model. There goes May walking like a model. Don't fall, May. All right, you show off. It's another day here in Hollywood. All right, so we'll see who else wants to come up and talk to me. How are you guys doing back there with the COVID? We are going to go back into ECQ in 3 days, which means, I think it means that it's back to a general lockdown. Uh-oh, looks like somebody else is trying to talk to me. Hold on a second.
Hi.
All right, here's my microphone. Let me take it off. This is what happens when I go live. Nothing works. Who are you? What's your name?
Marlin.
Marlene, what are you doing today?
Swimming here.
Swimming here. You having a good time?
Yep.
Well, good. Hold on a second, I lost my little gizmo. Hey, could you do me a favor? See that thing by my foot? See that black thing by my foot?
Yeah.
Do you see that? That.
Yeah.
This is how things roll. Can you put that back on there? That's supposed to help the microphone. Unedited, raw, the old dog show. You're in the great wide open. So, are you single?
Nope.
No. You're already taken? Sorry, fellas. Any special message for people out in YouTube land? No? All right. Well, enjoy your day.
Yeah.
All right. Who wants to come on next and say hello?
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Hi, Sir Paul.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Who do you want to say hi to? I know who you want to say hi to.
Yes. Hi to my love. Hi, Pierre. I love you.
This is my friend Per's girlfriend, right?
Yes.
Yes. How are things going with you two?
Yeah.
You guys are having long distance relationship,
Yeah. I know.
right?
Yeah.
And Per sent you some presents the other day. We had a party at my house for you.
Yeah.
Remember that?
Yeah.
That was really nice, huh?
Yeah. Very nice. I'm enjoy.
And didn't Baby May make you a cake or something like that?
Yeah. The mango float.
The mango float.
Yeah. It's
the
so
world
yummy
famous
and
mango
so
float.
sweet.
All right. So anything you want to say?
Yes. Hi. Welcome to the riverside. You have to swim here with Sir Paul and me and friends.
And the best part is it's free.
Yeah. It's a free.
This is fun on a budget. All right. So who's next? Thank you.
Bye. Welcome.
I'm sure she misses you, Per. Are you watching, Per? Who's this? The world famous Ann? My buddy Ann.
Hi.
What's going on, Ann?
Good.
Huh?
Doing.
So,
What?
what are you doing today?
Nothing.
Nothing? You're not here swimming with the girls?
Nothing to do.
This is
slowly.
Ann's my ex-neighbor. Thank God she left.
My God. Thanks, God.
No, you're like you're Walter's girlfriend, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Walter's a good guy.
Of course.
Of course.
Like
And so-
you.
Just like me.
Yeah.
Are you having fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what else you gonna do later on today?
I don't know.
You don't know? Hey, you moved into a new apartment.
Yep.
How do you like it?
It's nice.
Do you miss
Quiet.
me? Do you miss me yet?
Of course, especially May.
I don't blame you. I wouldn't miss me either. So what do you want to tell everybody out in YouTube land?
What?
What do you want to tell everybody out there in YouTube land? Anything? You got anything special to say to the world?
Thank you for watching YouTube. That's all.
All right, baby girl.
That's all. Thank
Good seeing you. Thanks for coming on the channel. Have
You're
fun.
welcome. Yeah.
All right. So that's it. That's all I got. I just thought I'd give you a little snippet of how badly I do things outdoors. And there it goes. And say goodbye, Ann. Here's a little preview. This is on the way up to my new apartment, actually. This little bridge. And this is about 1 kilometer away from where I live now and about 2 kilometers from where I'm going to live. And over here is a little place called Tierra. I hope that came in the shot. Fun and Adventure in Valencia. And then there's another little place called Forest Camp. And they have a bunch of swimming pools and stuff like this. But that's all closed down because of the COVID virus. And so we decided we'd come out here to the river, let the girls jump around. And I decided to make a little impromptu video. So thanks for coming along. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.